I am the HVAC repair guy. I spent 17 years in the field after serving as a nuclear power electrician, and I do not have time for games or marketing fluff. I use the data sitting right in front of me to tell you what is actually going to work when the temperature drops. Today, we are looking at two top tier ultimate category units for the 2026 season, the Bryant Evolution Extreme 23 293 van and the Goodman GSZV 9. If you look at the cabinet, Bryant uses the DuraGuard Plus system, which is a heavy gauge louvered steel panel to protect the condensing coil from hail and stray baseballs. Goodman GSZV9 also comes standard with a louvered steel coil guard. In my world, a louvered cabinet is a field-tested necessity, and anything less like a wire grill is just asking for a service call after a bad storm. When we get into efficiency and comfort, the Bryant Evolution Extreme 23 is a monster with a 10.5 HSPF 2 rating. It runs on a fully modulating variable speed inverter compressor that can adjust output in 1% increments to pin your home temperature exactly where you want it. The Goodman GSZV9 is also an inverter-driven variable speed machine, but it comes in lower at 8.2 HSPF 2. While both offer premium quietness and steady comfort, the Bryant has a clear lead in raw heating performance. Now let's look at the brand factor with Bryant as a flagship label for Carrier Global Corporation and Goodman as the value-focused subsidiary under Daikin. Being a flagship usually means you are paying a premium for the name, even if internal technology looks very similar across the board. For 2026 pricing, the Bryant 293 van equipment only is roughly $5,200 and a full installation runs between $12,000 and $18,000. The Goodman GSZV 9 equipment cost is about $3,800 with full installed prices usually landing between $8,000 and $12,000. You are paying a massive flagship tax for that Bryant name. Before the verdict, here is some free advice: clean your coils and change your filters. I have seen $15,000 systems die in 5 years because the homeowner treated them like a toaster, so maintenance is not optional. In the warranty battle, Goodman brings heavy artillery with a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year unit replacement guarantee if the compressor fails. Bryant gives a solid 10-year parts warranty, but does not typically offer that same unit replacement on standard registration, and both are assembled in the USA. The verdict is the winner is the Goodman GSZV 9. Here is why, in the ultimate tier, both units use advanced inverter technology and protected louvered cabinets, but Goodman gives the same variable speed comfort and a superior unit replacement warranty for thousands less. Bryant lost this matchup because the performance gain does not justify the massive price gap for the average homeowner. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC Dash for dashbeginners.com.